how to use DeepSeek without logging in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, unfortunately, let me tell you that it is not possible to use DeepSeek without signing in. I'll show you. If you open up any browser and then search for DeepSeek and then you open it up, then you'll be able to see that you'll be directly prompted to the login page. So unfortunately, you'll have to log in to use DeepSeek. But I have another option for you. There are other AI models that you can use without signing in. And number one is ChatGPT. For example, if you head over to a new tab and search for ChatGPT and open it up, then you can see without signing in, you can ask questions to ChatGPT. However, your chat history and all of the data will not be saved, but you can easily ask questions and get replies from ChatGPT without logging in, which is not possible in DeepSeek. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.